Hi, folks from Huntley and surroundings. My name is Mandy, and I am the artist from Mew Art Studio. And my studio has been based in Huntley since 2019, and before that, it was in Raleigh. Recently, from September, we started this little project like giving a workshop at Dean's, which called the Coffee Break Silk Painting. This video is all about the 10 type of people who should not miss the coffee break silk painting workshop. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you which 10, and if you are one of them, and then don't hesitate, and this is for you. Okay, so number one, if you think you can't change the world, and think again, because by joining coffee break silk painting, you are showing the world that meaningful face-to-face connection still matters. Your participation isn't just for you, it's an example for others to see what healthy real life socializing looks like. Okay, and number two, you think you are not artistic, so no worries, talent isn't required here, only if your willingness to hold a paintbrush. And my promise is, if you can hold a paintbrush, I'll be able to teach you how to do silk painting. And if I fail my goal, I will give you a refund and I'll pay you money. So number three, you want to bring your joy to others. And imagine learning silk painting basic in just 30 minutes. That's what I do. In the beginning of each workshop, we do like a 30 minutes practice for 5 basic techniques. And then those 5 basic silk painting techniques will help you to finish your first silk painting. And also, it's so easy to learn. You'll be able to explain it and organize your own silk painting party at home with our starter kit. And number four, you need time for yourself. So you've been caring for everyone else, your family, your friends, your work. But what about you? We talk about self-love, because we can't love ourselves, we can't love others. So this is your chance to relax, recharging, and create something beautiful just for yourself. And number five, you're curious about dreamers. So, like we heard about crazy people in this world, and then the dreamers, and come and see what it's like to live in a dream. At Coffee Break Silk Painting, you will meet people who are chasing their dreams, and might inspire you and to discover the dream inside of you. And number six, you are a mom. If you are a mom, this is for you, moms, because especially for single moms, we'll create a space where you can learn new skills, earn income, and build connections while balancing family life. Isn't just a workshop, it's an opportunity. And then come and see me, I will explain more to you. Okay, number seven, if you believe life, it's about experience. So if you're all about unique experiences, Silk Penny, it's a must try, because if you read our like reviews from the website, it's like 100. We have like about 100 participants since the September, based on like every week, and then we have one workshop every week, and then we have about 100 participants, and then we have about 100. We have 100% satisfaction 5-star reviews from our customers, so you can read them through. And then, so it's more than just art, because this workshop, it's an adventure for you, for your senses and your soul. And number eight, if you want your kids to explore more art in different form, so try like different type, like a Chinese art, a silk painting. So this is more than just a fun activity. It is a chance for kids to spark like multicultural, other culture, other painting, other art form, and building confidence, and share a memorable moment with you. An art is the best gift you can give to them. And number nine, you haven't made a new friend outside of work for ages. If that's you, that's me. Never mind. Adult friendships are hard. We get it. But here you can meet people while painting, sipping coffee, and simply enjoying the moment. Laughters, like everyone, like in things, like sometimes if you're in on Thursday, you heard laughters upstairs. What's going on? Our workshop. We create laughters, and we create that environment for people to socialize in a very relaxed and funny and laughing. It's just like it's a nice um, atmosphere there. Meeting people in our workshop is easy, natural, and meaningful. We're building a connection, right? So number 10, your dream of being a full-time artist. So no more starving artist vibes in here. Where we're helping you turn your passion into a career with real opportunities and sustainable income opportunities. Let's make this dream as a reality. So let's say goodbye to starving artists. And I have a mature business model I will share with you if you're a full-time artist. And so the conclusion is coffee brick silk penning workshop isn't for everyone. It is for those who wants to discover connection and create something truly meaningful and being taking part of being the positive vibes for this world. So if you tick any box, book your slot, and I'll put the link in the description. Okay, hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.